Yeah, let's go take a closer look.
Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. We're here.
We're going to see Tower.
Yeah!
Make sure if you want updates about the tower, search our videos. We do updates quite often about the, why did I call it Tower? Guardians Tower.
Such a spokesman.
Such a spokesman.
I know you're like, make sure you... Okay, and a view from the Hollywood backlot. Check it out. More and more is being exposed. This is just a really good view from back here. We'll obviously go closer, and it's harder to hear us over the music.
What?
What? You can't hear us?
Yeah, let's go take a closer look.
Let's do it.
All right. See the flag? And look at that emblem and the emblem up there. Wow, it's the same.
Turned, though.
Well, I wasn't looking at that.
Oh, I was.
Oh, the little ball up
Yeah,
there.
Mickey's head is turned.
Yeah, his
But it's
face
always
is
like
facing
that
the other
when it's
direction. So yeah, it is exposed even more.
It's funny, like you can't really, well, but because of the way what are those called? Scaffolding is what you called it?
Yeah.
Because of those, you can't really see the emblem from this angle, but that's why.
I can see it a little bit. Almost all of
I'm
it.
curious, once we're done with this, let's get a view from Bugs Land too.
The side.
Yeah. Check it. The back still looks completely the same, so if you check our other video out, that's exactly what the back looks like.
From our last update, yeah. But that looks pretty cool.
I would say we're gonna do a 360 view, but really, the back is the same. It has not changed. Now, I think they painted that black since the last time, but then again...
That looks like wet cement.
I know. Oh, maybe that is what it is. You're right.
I think it's really gray because they just probably put it up there,
Yeah.
fresh coat or something.
It's very charcoal-y looking black right now.
Yeah, well, maybe it's going to stay that way. I don't know. We'll find out. But it just, to me, from my angle here, it just looks like wet cement.
You know what else I found funny? It doesn't look as tall to me for some odd reason. I don't know why. Maybe I'm just like used to seeing it somehow. I don't know, but or the color scheme for some reason. I love it though. I have to say, when I was driving up Harper Boulevard, I was like, you could see it from, you know, obviously like right from Harper Boulevard. And it looks really great. Like, it looks really cool from Harper Boulevard. I think, like, it actually looks better than Tower of Terror did. We get so much hate. Like, well, no, not us, but
yeah,
here everybody's very nice in the comments. And a couple, you know, of course you get some hates, but I think in general, like, you have people that are really not okay with it. The purists, I guess you would say.
Yeah.
But, I mean, it looks awesome. I don't know. I think we're in for a real treat.
Let's go get a view from Bugs Land.
Let's go to Bugs Land.
Let's
Shall
go
we
right over here.
appear over there? Even though it's just a little walk. Let's go. Let's go get a view of...
I'm like, we just get lazy. We get tired of walking.
We really do, actually. Okay, ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. We're here. Magic.
It is magic. I can never get sick of that.
Me neither. So it's the only way to travel at Disneyland, really. Besides the tram.
Well, it's the only way to travel when we're with you, because you're the only one who has this power.
That is true. You have a point, my friend. Look at that. It's so cool from every angle. I love the view from Bugs Land.
Yeah, it's a nice view from over here. You get a little view to the side and the front.
Yeah. It really is.
It looks very steampunkish.
It does. So he's a collector from Collectors Around the Galaxy. I've only seen seen Guardians of the Galaxy once. And then the new movie, you know, that'll be exciting to watch knowing that we have the ride right here.
Yep. All right, well, that is our update. Thank you for watching.
Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more of these updates and Disneyland fun from the Disney Bears.